Hello everyone, I'm C鮫島. I'm a first-year student at香住丘High School. Today, I'm going to talk about waste. How much waste do you throw away each year? According to a survey in 2019 by Risk Analysis Company in the United Kingdom, as much as 2.1 billion tons of waste are thrown away each year. In addition, a lot of food are thrown away. According to the survey by Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations (FAO), 1.3 billion tons of food are thrown away each year. This is 1/3 of the volume food produces in the world. This is enough to more than 2 meals for everyone who does not have enough food. So, what negative effect have on us? The waste we produce is either burned or disposed in landfills. So at the time, the greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane are generated. If we don't try to reduce waste, the global warming will get worse. So what can we do to reduce waste? It is generally said as 3 R's are. The first is reduce. For example, don't leave leftovers and don't buy too many things and choose eco-friendly products. The second is reuse. For example, using a sink for a long time and giving away clothes which you no longer wear. The third is recycling. For example, plastic can be used for a new material, and leftover can be used as to feed for livestock. This is often said as a way to reduce waste, but that's not enough. So I'm going to introduce you to Plan B. By the way, that B in Plan B also stands for bacteria. Surprisingly, there are bacteria that eat plastic. In 2016, a research team in the University in Kyoto had discovered the bacteria at a PET bottle processing center in Osaka. That bacteria was named Ideoneus sakaiensis after the Sakai city. The bacteria uses plastic as energy, especially PET. Now I'm going to introduce you to how to break down plastic. The bacteria has 2 enzymes, PETase and MHETase. By using this enzyme, it takes plastic into the body. At the same time, they break down plastic. In the natural environment, it takes several years to break down plastic. However, with this enzyme, it can break down plastic just a few days. That's so awesome! And in general plastic recycling, plastic deteriorates with each recycling. There is a limit to recycling. However, in the case of this enzyme, it can break down plastic. In this case of enzyme, it can be returned to the monomer, which is the smallest unit of plastic. So it is possible to recycle plastic as a new material. However, it is expected to take several years for this large-scale sakaiensis. So, in order to wash huge amount of plastic, it is necessary to speed up breaking down plastic. So, I think Japanese government should increase more research funding. According to the survey in 2017 by UNESCO, research funding in Japan is about 1/3 of the United States and China. If Japan is more active on research of PETase, Japan can contribute to the achievement of SDGs and we can create a world where we can get along with plastic. Finally, we will talk about the future resource. It is said that coal can be used for 139 years, and oil can be used 54 years, and natural gas can be used only 49 years. In addition, the world population is 10.3 billion people now, but by 2030, it is expected to reach 8.5 billion people. So we will need additional more 50% energy and 40% water and 35% food. For the sake of the future, let's reduce waste and protect resources. Thank you for listening.